Good morning, everyone. So this is Subhash from the retail research team of HDFC Securities. I'm a technical and derivative analyst. So today we'll be talking about the fortnightly market outlook on a technical perspective. So the markets ended with marginal gains this week after crossing the previous intermediate highs of 18,135 and 18,202. Nifty finally gained a marginal 0.02% week on week as it fell sharply on Friday and lost most of its gains. Market breadth was positive in 3 out of the 4 sessions of the week. 14-day RSI has corrected sharply and moved below its 9-day EMA, which indicates that momentum has weakened. So while the intermediate trend is still firmly up, Nifty is now under threat of reversing its short-term uptrend. A close below 18,042 would confirm a reversal of the short-term uptrend. In this scenario, we could see a correction towards the previous swing high of 17,863, which is also close to the 20-day SMA. So as you can see in the daily chart of the Nifty, we rose sharply this week, and then on Friday, we opened with a gap down and reversed most of the gains seen on Thursday. So Nifty is now close to the trend reversal level of 18,042. A close below that would confirm a short-term reversal. The weekly chart, however, shows that intermediate trend is firmly up. We have been making higher tops and higher bottoms over the last few weeks. So as long as this trend is intact, the intermediate trend would be firmly up, and any corrections can be used to buy into quality stocks. Coming to the sectors, the sectoral indices ended with a mixed bag. The top gainers and outperformers were the CPSE, PSE, Auto, Infra, Energy, and FMCG indices. The indices that underperformed were the Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Media, and PSU banking indices. If we look at the daily charts, we can see that most of the sectoral indices are in short-term uptrend, but they are showing some signs of short-term weakness and could therefore correct in the near term. For example, the Bank Nifty, Metal, and Media indices are showing some signs of weakness for the near term. If we look at the Bank Nifty chart, it has corrected sharply on Friday after the recent sharp up move, thereby reversing the short-term uptrend. So it could now come down towards the 20-day SMA and the previous swing lows, which is around 42,000. Similarly, the metals index has reacted from the resistances and also the 200-day EMA. So we could see a short-term correction or consolidation. Media index has also reacted from resistances and closed below the 20-day SMA, which is a sign of weakness for the near term. And coming to the outlook, we believe that Nifty remains in an intermediate uptrend, but with the short-term trend on the verge of turning down, we could see more downsides in the near term. A move below 18,042 would confirm a short-term reversal and could lead to a short-term correction towards the previous swing high of 17,863. These levels are also close to the 20-day SMA. We expect selling pressure across sectors like banking, financial services, metals, energy, and media sectors to help push the Nifty index lower in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Broad market indices like Nifty mid-cap and small-cap outperformed the Nifty this week with gains of 1.1% and 0.6% respectively. However, we expect these broad market indices to correct marginally and consolidate in the next 1 to 2 weeks, as they have run up quite sharply over the last few weeks. Coming to the conclusion, we believe that markets are likely to correct more in the near term, as the short-term trend is on the verge of turning down. Current short-term uptrend would reverse if the support of 18,042 is broken. Downside target for Nifty is at 17,863, which is the previous swing high and also close to the 20-day SMA. With many sectoral indices showing weakness for the near term, this increases the probability of a further fall in markets in the near term. However, as the intermediate trend remains up, we recommend using any corrections to enter into quality stocks from outperforming sectors. Intermediate trend reversal level is at 17,553. We expect the Nifty to head towards the previous highs of 18,473 to 18,535 only once the immediate highs of 18,267 is taken out. So that's all from my side. Thank you.